To get the fastest Raman measurement, we need to use high laser power without damaging the sample. But how do you know if the sample has been damaged? In this video, we will walk through some common signs to watch for. When laser light hits the sample, some of it gets absorbed as heat instead of being reflected or scattered. This heat can raise the temperature of the sample, causing all sorts of changes. Raman peaks might shift, the material could undergo phase changes, chemical reactions like oxidation, or the sample may even turn amorphous, losing its crystalline structure. The most obvious sign of damage is the visible burn mark. Sometimes you may also notice the sample physically deforming after the measurement. But here's the thing, not all damage leaves a clear mark. One way to spot trouble is to measure Raman spectrum at the same spot multiple times and watch for changes. If the sample is getting hot and breaking down, the Raman peak might get weaker, broader, or shift over time. Chemical reactions or phase transitions like polymorphic changes can also create new phases with their own unique Raman spectra. At the same time, the original material's peak might fade as it transforms. Another trick is to compare measurement with different settings. For example, try 10 milliwatts for 1 second and 1 milliwatt for 10 seconds. This should give similar spectra since they deliver the same energy. If the spectra looks very different, the 10 milliwatt setting is likely damaging the sample. Finding the perfect laser power right up to but not past the damage threshold is often a trial and error process. Starting from low power like 1 milliwatt and try higher values step by step. If your sample is super rare or too valuable to risk, test on a similar, less precious sample first to dial in the settings. Let's continue this topic in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.